Start with a foundation chain. The length is up to you. Miss this first chain space. You'll be going into the chain space second from the hook. Insert your hook. Yarn over. Pull through your yarn. Yarn over. Pull through 2. Go into the next chain space. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Go into the next chain space. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Go into the next space. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Go into the next space. Insert your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. When it comes to you, you said you wanted to know.